Volo Bog State Natural Area, Prairie Ridge Trail Scavenger Hunt. This podcast showcases several species of prairie plants that you can find along the Volo Bog State Natural Area Prairie Ridge Trail. After you watch the podcast, see how many species you can find. Good luck, and remember, take only memories and pictures, and leave only footprints. Black-eyed Susan. Black-eyed Susan is also known as brown-eyed Susan. Its hairy stems are upright and sometimes branched. The plant's simple, lance-shaped leaves are arranged alternately along the stem. One flower head is produced per plant. Each flower head is about 2 1/2 to 2 3/4 inches wide. Flowering occurs from June through September. Rattlesnake Master. Rattlesnake Master has leaves arranged alternately along the stem. The simple, entire leaves are clustered near the base of the plant. Each pointed leaf is stiff, spiny-edged, and long. Spherical heads of tiny white, 5-parted flowers are present at the stem tip. Each flower head may be 1 inch in diameter. Flowers are produced from July through August. The common name, Rattlesnake Master, was given to this plant because early settlers thought it had use in treating rattlesnake bites. The belief was not true, however. Wild Bergamot. Wild bergamot has leaves arranged opposite each other on the square stem. These lance-shaped leaves are toothed. Tube-shaped flowers develop in clusters at the stem tip. Flowers are pink to light lilac and two-lipped. Flowers are produced from May through August. Bees are attracted to the flowers. Rosinweed. Rosinweed has rough, sessile-paired leaves that may be as much as 6 inches in length and 2 inches wide. These simple leaves are lance-shaped. Many yellow flowers are crowded together in a head that may be 2 inches across. The common name, rosinweed, refers to the plant's resinous fluids. Flowering occurs from July through August. Compass Plant. Compass plant has very large, deeply divided leaves. Most of the leaves are at the base of the plant. These stiff, prickly leaves are arranged alternately along the upright, hairy stem. Leaves are held vertically in a north to south plane, which is how the plant's common name came about. Each leaf may be up to 1 foot wide. Yellow flowers are crowded together in a head that may be 5 inches wide. Flowers are produced in July and August. Compass plant was once important in the diet of bison on the Illinois prairies. Shooting Star. The leaves of shooting star grow in a rosette at the base of the plant. Each leaf is oblong and smooth. Flowers may be purple, white, pink, or some combination of those colors. The 5 petals are swept backward while the stamens come together to form a pointed beak. Few to several flowers develop in a cluster at the tip of a stalk. Each flower may be 1 1/3 inches long. Flowers are produced from April through June. Side-oats Grama. Side-oats Grama is classified as a mid-height grass. Its simple, entire leaves are arranged alternately along the stem. The leaf blades are flat and have dead, curly tips. The dead tip is about 1/4 to 1/3 the length of the blade. Flowers are borne on slender stalks. The seed heads hang on one side of the stem. Flowers are produced from July through September. Stems turn red in the fall. Little Blue Stem. Little Blue Stem is a mid-height bunch grass. Its leaves are arranged alternately along the stem. Each leaf is simple, entire, and linear. The leaf is folded. At the place where the leaf blade joins the stem, a narrow white line is present. Flowers are produced from August through October. This plant grows from May until frost. In the fall, the leaves and stems turn a red-orange color. New growth of the plant has blue-green leaves and stems. Purple Coneflower. Purple coneflower has 1 to several stems present. Stems are mostly unbranched, rough, and hairy. Leaves are arranged alternately along the stem. Each leaf is toothed, rough, and lance-shaped. The lower leaves are on long stalks. The pink to red-purple flower rays point toward the ground. Flowers are produced from July through August. Wild Blue Iris. Wild Blue Iris has smooth leaves that may be 3 feet long and 1 1/2 inches wide. Blue flowers are borne at the tips of the stems. Flowers may be 3 inches across. This plant flowers from May through June. Cardinal-flower. Cardinal-flower has bright red two-lip flowers that may be up to 2 inches long. The upper lip has 2 lobes while the lower lip has 3 lobes. This plant may grow to 6 feet tall. Stems are usually hairy and have milky sap. The leaves are arranged alternately on the stem. Leaves are lance-shaped, usually toothed and hairy. Leaves may be 8 inches long and up to 2½ inches wide. Cardinal-flower blooms from July through October. White prairie clover. White prairie clover has pinnately compound leaves with 5 to 7 leaflets. Each leaflet is about 1 inch in length and 1/4 inch wide. Small white flowers are densely clustered in short, thimble-like spikes at the stem tips. Each flower spike is from 1 to 4 inches long. Every flower has 4 petals that are similar in structure and one that is different in size and shape from the others. Flowers are produced from June through July. Downy phlox. Downy phlox or prairie phlox may grow to 2 feet tall. The hairy stems are sometimes branched. Leaves are arranged opposite each other on the stem. These hairy leaves grow narrow to lance-shaped and may be 4 inches long. Flowers are clustered at the stem tip. A single flower may be 1 1/4 inches wide. Each flower is attached to a thin, hairy stalk. 5 pink to light purple petals are united at the bottom to form a tube. Flowers are produced from May through August. Canada goldenrod. Canada goldenrod has upright stems that are smooth at the base, hairy near the top, and branched. The dense leaves are arranged alternately along the stem. Each simple, lance-shaped, hairy leaf has edges that are sharply toothed. Yellow flowers are crowned together into heads. Flowers are produced from August through October.